Hi, my name is Chantelle, and for today's video, we will be looking at how to identify mother palms and selecting them for reaping their seed nuts for seedling propagation. If you're uncertain about the kind of variety that you have, you should always consult with a botanist who is able to distinguish the differences between the variety and to verify the variety that you have. Now that you have identified, selected, and tagged your mother palms for reaping, it is time to reap their seed nuts. There are several development stages of coconut fruits on the tree: the tender stage and the dry nut stage. Once you have identified your dry bunch, you should reap them for selection in the nursery. Here is an example of a dry coconut bunch. Now that you have identified and selected your mother palms and have reaped their seed nuts, transported them to the nursery, it is time for your seed nut selection. When selecting your seed nuts, it is important that you select the seed nuts of the best quality. When selecting your seed nuts, you should ensure that you are able to hear the slushing sound of the water when shaking. If it is that the water sounds a bit quaggy, this is an indication that the meat inside has deteriorated. If your seed nuts are early sprouting, you can also set them in the nursery. This is an indication of early germination. You should avoid seed nuts that have fungal infection and are badly scarred by mites. Also, if the seed nuts are unusually smaller in size, you should discard them. So now that you have understood how to identify your mother palms, select them, and to select your seed nuts for your nursery, it's now time to propagate them in the nursery.